Alright, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yogesh. Today's video is going to be me showing all my drawing and practice work I have made. Along with it, I'm gonna tell you one IMP tip of the day which will improve your drawing from this to this. But before we start, please subscribe to the channel if you have not done yet, and click the bell icon to get notifications of all my upcoming videos. So let's start. This I have drawn a 3D heart. Actually I have tried to draw it and given a texture of 3D look by shading. My other friends have also tried to draw it, but they can't. This one was my practice work and it don't look much great. So let's move to the next. Again practice work. When I have drawn this, literally I have no idea of proportions and shading, but as time goes I'm improved now. This is the Iron Man drawing flying in the sky. This I have drawn after watching Iron Man Part 2. When I made all these drawings and showed the whole family, see how well I made a drawing, and I felt very happy to do all this, and from here on I started drawing daily. On 31st December, for the first time when I heard the news of coronavirus spreading in China, and on that topic I've made this sketch. In this bunch of sketch, which one you like the most? Tell me in the comment section and hit the like button so that my day can become happier. And now, tip for the day is start drawing daily. No matter how you draw and what you draw, but draw, and try to spend minimum 3 hours of a day or night wherever you get time, because it makes a habit to your body to sit and spend maximum hours for your sketch. I used to spend minimum 3 to 4 hours in drawing, and the result is in front of you. And try not to repeat your mistakes. I see you in the next. Till then, take care and start drawing now. And if you like watching this video and want to watch more, then please subscribe this channel.